that's what some people want. So, yeah. Is it bad? I don't know. I know that I didn't blend this right here or right here at all. Looks a little more blended. Blendy blend, blendy blend. There. So that is the end look. I have no idea where we are. Hold on, let me look with my glasses. And see, you can even have a nice, you can even see that through glasses. Now, these are non-glare, these don't have the non-glare on them. Big mistake, I screwed up doing that. I thought, oh, I don't need it. My last glasses had it, and I do think it causes, y'all can see, if you look at my glasses, the reflection of my filming lights. If I look down, you can't. But I don't feel like this shape is big enough to really see my eyes, so I'm going to get a little closer and make sure that it focuses and let you see. This is Maybelline Rocket Express, which I really do like. Really do like this. I will get it again. But I think I like even better the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. What do you think? Which one do you like? Here's some things I do. Sometimes I'll mix them. Like I'll put this on and then I'll put that on top and comb it through. Or I'll comb this through and use this to kind of brush off excess. They're different formulas. I think once you do that, you will be blending the formula though. So you just got to remember that now you've taken these from being individual to kind of mixing them up even and down in their barrels. Yeah, so I love both of these. Y'all know my all-time favorite is my Chanel Inimitable Waterproof Mascara. It is the best. It's got an even better comb than this one. It's got an even better formula than this one. This is really a close formula though, y'all. If it had that same kind of tiny comb, this is a thicker comb. It's fatter. The Chanel one is very thin and slender. And so what it does is it puts down a lot of volume, a lot of product, but then it combs it off real well so that it looks very fat and long lashes, which is kind of what this one's accomplishing. Those are very fat. These are more spiky, spidery looking, which I also like. Both of them are great. Okay. So that's that. So comment below, which look do you like better? Do you like this eye, which is the Rocket formula, or this eye, which is the Lash Paradise formula, which that's L'Oreal, this eye, or Maybelline, this eye? And what do you, maybe share with us, what are your tips? What are your tips on how you make your mascara look good? Do you have a recommended or favorite eyelash curler like I do? My favorite is this Charlotte Tilbury one in rose gold. And it isn't just that it's a pretty one, because obviously in rose gold it's very, very pretty, but it is the widest band this way I've seen and the tallest this way. And that does help you get all the lashes better. I'm not just saying that. I also do like the CoverGirl one. Y'all know that. And I like my Chanel one. It's not as tall this way. It's a little bit more narrow this way. But it's about the same width. And so is the CoverGirl one. So is my Mary Kay one. Mary Kay Cosmetics. I don't know if they still offer an eyelash curler. But theirs was one of my favorites too. So, yeah. There's that. Anyway. So comment below and tell me your tips, and comment which one of these looks that you like. It also, do you have a special tool that you use? Don't use pens, like I said. I was stupid. I was young and stupid when I did that. And I'm wearing my little, I very rarely wear these, you guys. This is my little Coach. They're called Coach Waterfall earrings. And what they are is every single one of those little rectangles you see that's sparkling, they're little Coach tags, like the Coach tags that are on the purse. Isn't that cute? But they're kind of overboard, so I don't really wear them to work. I think I've worn them maybe once or twice ever in 12 years at Chick-fil-A. And it's not because they're like strict about it. It's just I feel overdressed, because waterfall earrings to me are dressy. This is very dressy, and not business dressy either. Like I wouldn't mind wearing my Louis Vuittons because they look dressy because they have a dangle, but they're a little more, you know, they're a little more polished. Looking a little more, I don't know, maybe it's because it's geometric. I absolutely hate them though. I hate them because of the way they're made. I love the little look of the V and the O and this little stick hanging down, but it's this. It's the way that that hooks in. And the thing about gold is, and I don't know if they're real gold or not, that with the price of them, they ought to be, but sometimes it's just because it's a brand and it's still cosmetic metals. Um, but I don't feel like it's really quality, y'all. And I'll say that and leave it on.